Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be reviewing Race Tow Truck Tom. Now, Race Tow Truck Tom is a character that appears in the movie Cars. Now, during the Dinoco 400 race, Race Tow Truck Tom is a official Piston Cup tow truck that pulls out cars whenever they're damaged or unable to compete in the race. And in the movie, Race Tow Truck Tom was seen carrying away Chuck Armstrong after he was brutally damaged from the big wreck. I mean, there's a more notable appearance of him, but still, Race Tow Truck Tom was first released as a diecast in 2008. Originally called Tow, just like how he was called in the Car Finder game. However, later releases renamed him to Race Tow Truck Tom. That's basically all I have to say about him. And then the fact that I got Race Tow Truck Tom in the flea market in May of 2024. And actually, he's officially the last item that I got from May of 2024 in the flea market that I have to review. And so I think I've reviewed everyone else that I got in that same visit. By the way, there's of course the front. Of course, is this expression right there. Of course, the grille, the small headlights. To compare the front with, here's Dexter Hoover. The different shade of blue, I think. You know, Dexter's a bit darker, while on Tom here, it's a bit lighter. Kind of the same grille in the diecast line. Yet Dexter has a different one in the movie. Don't really. Also, Dexter's front bumper here is yellow, when Race Tow Truck Tom's is blue. Of course, the side with the Piston Cup logo right there, and this part being yellow and continuing with there. And I forgot to mention this, but he is heavily bent throughout the back. So is the lights there, the light bar and everything. Oh, he was like this when I bought him, but it's the dot that counts. Of course, this tow truck assembly right there, which it looks good, and they might have used something. I have to believe that a similar one was used for Race and Rescue Mater recently, but honestly, a great one. Of course, the back with nothing much going on, and the flatbed, and the towing assembly again, and the lights again, which are bent. There's the other side with, of course, the Piston Cup logo, and of course the yellow part right there. And of course the wheels I forgot to mention. They spin, and the rims are blue. There's the base. It also appears to be bent there, but made in China. Alright, so yeah, that is it for today, and let me know what your thoughts on Race Tow Truck Tom is. And that concludes all of the items from the May flea market visit. The one from 2024. And it's been a deep ride to take care of all of them in once, hasn't it? Well, It's basically what happens when you go to the flea market multiple times. But yeah. And now that I've reviewed everyone there, it's official time that I move on to another flea market visit that I went to, which was in November of this year, and also the one from, actually no, November of 2025, and also the one from 2024. By the way, bye!